I'm going to start by saying this is another roll. Please keep watching. We're going to call this the chaos roll. 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just dry, or damp, sorry. Turned inside out. We're going to do the regular left-right symmetry by doing this. I don't know if I'm posting or going to post all these videos in a row. If I do, it's going to make it look like I've become obsessed with these variations on the cosmic roll. I'm going to deny it and say that's not true, that I just found it interesting for a while. Yep, that's what I'm going to stick with. Really though, they are so simple, and I feel like you can actually get some pretty good results from them, which makes it worth trying to do other things that were not the standard cosmic roll. So, okay. I'll make sure this is relatively smooth in here. Ironic because of what I'm about to do, but okay. I'm going to start the roll from here. And I'm going to do that to try to impart more. Everybody knows these bits, all the extra thick parts make it more difficult. You can't get smooth lines, and it has those little jaggies and the impressions whenever you do the roll up. So let's take that to make that an advantage. Sorry, fixing something. And start from here so that all those extra lumps. Oh, wait, I was going to do something before. I was going to loosen it a little. Not the scrunch like I did on that one, but just loosen it up so that it's not as taut. Okay, so let's go ahead and start rolling this up. Nice and tight. Pushing forward of any of those weird crinkles and everything like that. There's a large one right there. Okay. And then if I need to do extra because it's just not getting tight enough, so be it. Okay, we're going to drop a rubber band on this spot right here just to keep this on. Okay, this isn't quite tight, so I'm going to rotate this just a little bit, This is tight, 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 and a little bit loose, so we're going to do this. Just twist it a little bit. And I'm going to roll the whole thing up. Hold on, which way does it need to be turned? It needs to be turned that way, doesn't it? And we're going to do it the opposite way. So it's twisted there. Basically, if it's not holding tight, then we'll impart a little twist to it as it's going on here. Did I do this backwards? I feel like I did this backwards because I planned on having this on the inside. Trying to think if it's actually going to make any difference, because my color scheme is going to be chaos, so I don't think it'll make a difference. So let's find a large rubber band to go around this outer edge. And if I can find some of these, we'll do a couple of these just to hold this in place. Is there another one? That one's really thin, that won't do anything. There we go. Do that. Right. This might be the last one you see for a while, because I don't have any other ideas in my head. Not saying more ideas aren't going to pop into my head, but we're going to go with this for a chaos roll. Off to die. Okay, I'm going to use Scarlet, Tangerine, red violet, orchid, and black cherry. We'll let that melt through, and it is just going to sit in the muck because it's full, and we'll see how this plays out. It's been 48 hours or so. Let's rinse this out. Okay. Let's throw this in the wash, and we'll see what it looks like completely rinsed out. Here we have the front. And the back. Let's start on the back. These little, that's cool. I like it. And I like it, prefer it down here over up here. It gets really muddy up here. I don't know what these little orbs or splotches or whatever are. I don't know. I'd prefer they weren't there as same as these little brown striations. But my color choices were my color choices, and that might have been the issue. Again, those little weird, I don't even know what you call it, splotches? They're not really splotches though, in there. It's kind of weird looking. It kind of looks like a central spine with that brown running through. I don't really care for the color, but it works. I mean, it looks kind of cool. Probably wouldn't pick those specific colors again. I was going to do what I've been doing with all the rolls, which is just the 6 rainbow. But I don't know, went with something different. I think these are all new colors that I bought in the past year or so. The yellow came from somewhere. Don't know. What are your thoughts? It has white in it, but shockingly I'm okay with it this time because it kind of works with the design. So my Patreon is now being used as an ad-free version for the videos. So if you want to see the videos ad-free versus how they are posted on YouTube, check out my Patreon. It's listed down below. Also, let me know if you have any comments, suggestions, or anything else you'd like to say down in the comments below. And until next time, thanks for watching.